In calculating the present value per period, you are answering the question, how much do I need to deposit today to make a series of withdrawals over a specific period of time, assuming a rate of interest, compounding method, and number of months. The amount needed today to fall to zero at the end of the period based on the amount of each withdrawal, the number of months, interest rate, and compounding method. This kind of calculation occurs when you are going through a business expansion or retiring obligations based on fixed monthly payments. The formula for the present value per period looks like this one. It's a bit complex, I think, but actually it produces the dollar amount needed to be deposited at the beginning of the term based on monthly withdrawals, interest rate, compounding method, and number of months. And here is the example. If you want to set up a reserve and draw $300 each month for 5 years based on monthly compounding of a 7.5% annual rate, how much do you need to deposit at the beginning of the term? And here this example and the formula is very well explained on a spreadsheet program. Let's see it. Okay, on the spreadsheet, let's enter the monthly withdrawal amount, $300. In this case, the annual interest rate 7.5%, the term 60 months. And here are the calculations. They are pretty similar. Periodic interest rate plus 1. The calculation is 1 plus the annual interest rate divided by 12 because we have 12 months and we use monthly compounding. This periodic interest rate is the same for every month in the period. The compound interest rate for the first month is the same like the periodic interest rate, and for every consecutive month the formula is the compound interest rate from the previous month multiplied by the periodic interest rate plus 1. And here you see is the same, the previous month and periodic interest rate plus 1. So here when we drag this to the end, we will get the compound interest rate for the last month. Afterwards, we need to find the resulting factor for the entire period, and here we see it's 1 minus 1 divided by the compound interest rate for the last month. Okay, it's 0.31191. And lastly, we need to find the amount we need to deposit today if we want to withdraw $300 every month for the next 5 years. And here is the formula. We have the resulting factor here, you see, divided by the periodic interest rate minus 1 here, okay, and this is multiplied by the monthly withdrawal amount here, the 3, and we will receive the answer. It's $14,971.59 we have to deposit today if we want to withdraw this amount every month. So this spreadsheet and these calculations, each variable can be changed. So if you want to withdraw, for example, 500, and we will receive the amount, almost $25,000. Also, we can change the interest rate. So everything is flexible here. And this is the calculation. And at the end, when we deposit this amount in the last month, the fund will be depleted. We won't have any money at the end because we withdraw every month a certain amount of money, in this case 500 or 300. Okay, that's it for this lecture.